In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tap on those three dots at the top right corner to select settings and adjust them. Then go back and use this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. You can switch between those two modes by clicking on the chosen one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one when recording is unpaused. Then, if you want to delete it right away, pause it and click on this X, also on the right. Or if you want to end it and save it, click on the check mark over here. Now to manage it, click on it and override all of those options, or go back, use this icon at the bottom right corner of your recording and select one of those options like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!